Hey guys, this is an example of a Raiz. A Raiz is a tricking move that originally comes from capoeira, but similar movements can be seen in different forms of dance as well. A Raiz is an off-axis, open-body backflip that is initiated and primarily fueled by the non-swinging leg, in this case, my left leg. The most common Raiz you will see is the version that I'm doing here, a cheat setup into Raiz. But it can be done from carry through, standing, front swing, and many other setups. A Raiz is to Gumby, as an aerial is to cartwheel. If you have a good Gumby and Sailor Moon, a Raiz will be most likely the easiest to learn out of the three. With that being said, I still recommend learning a Gumby and a Sailor Moon before a Raiz, because when I first started, I had no idea what tricks were related to what and went straight to Raiz. This caused me to fall a lot and hurt my back from trying to twist when all I needed to do was arch more. The Raiz is essentially a big eagle position that inverts at about a 45 to 90 degree angle, and thus is used as a swing or pop setup, but can be used to set up whatever you'd like.
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Please like the video and share it with your friends if it was helpful or entertaining. Subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more videos like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of video you want me to do next. If you need help with any kind of movement, please message me on Instagram at zach.enso, or come out to Enso Movement in Raleigh, North Carolina and train with us. Until next time, take care of yourself, be patient, and keep training.